started this morning from Hardin, and now I don't know which town or city are we, but we are in the middle of nowhere. A lot of fields, like I don't know what they plant here, but I've seen a lot of animals like cows, sheep. Sheep are the one that they make as a lamb meat. I like lamb too. It's yummy. It's just like a goat meat. I think we call it carnero. So yeah. Prevail K-9, which is good for your dogs. So if you have dogs as your pet and you want them to be healthy and they will live longer, if you want to let them try to take this, what you're gonna do is you just spray on their water, mix it in their water, and they can drink it. That way, you know, like I said, your dog's gonna be healthy. And I love dogs. That's why we have 3 dogs at home. One is, I think she's 14 years old. Her name is Piglet. And the second one, she's 9 years old. Her name is Dolly. She's black and white color. And Luna, she's the youngest one. She's 6 years old. We just got her last 2 months ago, and she's the newest baby, the newest member of the family. She's very cute. Wherever we go, she's the only one can come with us because she's small. I can put her in my lap. Otherwise, the 2 dogs, they're gonna occupy 2 big seats at the back of the car or of the truck. So, but today we did not bring any of my dogs because this is a long road trip. It's for 10 days. So, it's kind of hard to travel when you have pets because dogs, they're just like babies too, you know. You have to take care of them, you have to give them for a walk, and they do their private thing, you know, pee, poop outside, so things like that, you know. It's kind of inconvenient if you have dog when you travel. And also, some hotels, they don't allow pets, but some of them allow pets, but you have to pay extra for it. So like I said, it's better to have no dogs while you're traveling because it's convenient. So okay guys, I hope you want to try this product. So this is, like I said, see, it's made here in the US. Wait, let me, made in USA. And then direction for use is you just have to take 4 sprays twice per day, either in the mouth of the dog or in their drinking water. You guys, can you read?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Highway 326.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. We're still in the road. This is our day 6. Thanks, bye-bye. Oh, wait a minute. Let me read. So,
Take the next right onto Highway 326.
oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm so messy. So I changed my blouse because we're stopping at Devil's Tower, and
Continue for 31 miles.
I'm holding this Prevail K-9. So guys, if you want to try this, just contact me on my Facebook, Leslie Sosobrado, Instagram, Leslie Valentus, and my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Leslie Sosobrado. Okay guys, thanks for watching.